Let's explore Scheduler and SpyMonkey under the calendar view. To schedule in SpyMonkey, you will go Scheduler. Under this page, you'll put the date that you want to schedule on and the time. You will put in your customer code and any comments, and you only have to do this once. It will save for you afterwards. You will put the time zone, provider, POR, POD, and you may fill out the rest of this if desired. Set your rules that you want applied. In this case, we're going to send a text when it's done and save the rule, and then we're going to click Schedule TSR. When it's complete, it will show up over here on your calendar, and you can go and click on it. As you can see, we already have some scheduled on our calendar, and you can just click on them to get all of the information desired.